Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 9th standard mathematics. Exercise 8.1 question number 1. In a week, temperature of a certain place is measured during winter are as follows. 26 degrees Celsius, 24 degrees Celsius, 28 degrees Celsius, 31 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius, 26 degrees Celsius, 24 degrees Celsius. Find the mean temperature of the week. ஸோ இந்த கொஷினில் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா ஒரு வீக்கோட டெம்பரேச்சரை செல்சியஸில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் டு ஃபைண்ட் த மீன் டெம்பரேச்சர் ஆஃப் த வீக். அந்த வீக்கோட மீன் டெம்பரேச்சர் நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணோம். த ப்ராப்ளம் பிலாங்ஸ் டு பேஜ் நம்பர் 277. So solution, mean temperature of the week is equal to sum of all observations by number of observations. So கொடுத்திருக்கிற எல்லா observationsையும் நம்ம மேலே sum பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So 26 plus 24 plus 28 plus 31 plus 30 plus 26 plus 24 degree Celsius divided by 7. So 26 plus 24 is 50. 50 plus 28 is 78. 78 plus 31 109. 109 plus 30 139. 139 plus 26 165. 165 plus 24 is 189. So which is equal to 189 by 7 degree Celsius. So 189 by 7 is nothing but 27 degree Celsius. Therefore, the mean temperature of the week is equal to 27 degree Celsius. Problem number 2. The mean weight of 4 members of a family is 60 kg. 3 of them have the weight 56 kg, 68 kg and 72 kg respectively. Find the weight of the 4th member. So the problem belongs to page number 277. ஸோ ஒரு ஃபேமிலியில் 4 மெம்பர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. அவங்க மீன் வெயிட் வந்து 60 கேஜி. அதில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு 3 மெம்பர்ஸோட வெயிட் மட்டும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 56, 68 அண்ட் 72. ஸோ 4th மெம்பரோட வெயிட் என்ன அப்படின்றத நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணோம். ஸோ வெயிட் ஆஃப் 4 மெம்பர்ஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 4 into 60 பிகாஸ் மீன் ஆஃப் 4 மெம்பர்ஸ் தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ 4 into 60 is 240 kilogram. Then weight of 3 members is equal to 56 plus 68 plus 72. So 56 plus 68 is 124. 124 plus 72 is 196 kg. So 3 பேரோட weight add பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு 196 kg வருது. So weight of the 4th member is equal to 240 kg minus 196 kg. So 240 minus 196 is 44 kg. Therefore, the weight of the 4th member is 44 kg. Problem number 3. In a class test in mathematics, 10 students scored 75 marks, 12 students scored 60 marks, 8 students scored 40 marks and 3 students scored 30 marks. Find the mean of their score. The problem belongs to page number 277. So total marks of 10 students is 10 into 75 is equal to 750. Because 10 students scored 75 marks, na 10 into 75 is 750. So total marks of 12 students is equal to 12 into 60 is 720. Similarly, total marks of 3 students is equal to 3 into 30 is equal to 90. So total marks of 8 students is equal to 8 into 40 is 320. Then the total marks of 10 plus 12 plus 8 plus 3, that is 33 students is equal to 750 plus 720 plus 320 plus 90. So if you add all the marks of the students, you get 1880 marks. Then mean of the marks is equal to 1880 by 33, which is equal to 56.96, which is equal to 57 approximately. So the mean of the score is 57. Question number 4. In a research laboratory, scientists treated 6 mice with lung cancer using natural medicine. 10 days later, they measured the volume of the tumor in each mouse and given the results in the table. ஸோ ஏதோ ஒரு லெபார்ட்ரியில் சயின்டிஸ்ட் வந்து 6 mice, ஸோ மவுஸ் தான் 6ன்னும் போது ப்ளூரல் இல்லைங்களா, ஸோ 6 mice they have to check, they have to treat for the lung cancer using natural medicine. ஸோ ஒரு ரிசர்ச் மேக் பண்ணுறாங்க lung cancer க்யூர் பண்ணுறதுக்காக using natural medicine. So 10 days later you have to measure the volume of the tumor in each mouse. அதை ஒரு டேபிளர் காலம் ஃபார்மேட்டில் நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So this is the tabular column. So mouse marking as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because in the laboratory they have 6 mice. Then tumor volume is measured as millimeter cube. So 145 for the first mouse, 148 for the second mouse and 142 for the third mouse. Then 141, 139 and 140 is given. So you have to find the mean. Then you have to do the solution in a tabular column format. So the problem belongs to page number 277 and 278. So in this tabular column, we just write whatever is given in the question. That is, first one is mouse marking. So how many mouse? You just write those numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and tumor volume is 145, 148, 142, 141, 139, 140. So first you have to find summation f. So summation f means you have to add all these values. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 21. So summation f is 21. So next you have to write fx. So here 1 into 145, it gives 145. Then 2 into 148 is 296. Then 3 into 142 is 426. Then 4 into 141 is 564. Then 5 into 139 is 695. Then 6 into 140 is 840. That's all. Now we find the value of fx in each column. Then you have to find summation fx. So you have to add all these values. If you add all these values, that is 145 plus 296 plus 426 plus 564 plus 695 plus 840 is 2966. So now we fill the tabular column. So next you have to find x bar, that is mean value. So we know the formula for finding mean, that is arithmetic mean. X bar is equal to summation fx by summation f. So which is equal to 2966 divided by 21. So if you divide 2966 by 21, we get the value as, you have to do this calculation in your column. So the number is 2966 21 times 1 times 21. So 29 minus 21 is 8. So step down 6. 4 times 84. Remainder is 2. Then step down 6. Again 1 times 21. The remainder is 5. Put the decimal, add 1 0. So 2 times 2 into 21 is 42. The remainder is 8. So add 1 0, 80. So 3 times 63. So you got the value x bar is 141.238. It goes on. So you can round it off. X bar is equal to 141.24. That is the arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean is equal to 141.24 millimeter cube. Then next problem number 5 in exercise 8.1. If the mean of the following data is 20.2, find the value of P. So marks is given 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So number of students is 6, 8, P 10, 6. So you have to find the value of P here. So mean of the following data is given as 20.2. So solution, the problem belongs to page number 278. So marks, you just write it in a tabular column format. So marks is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and number of students is F. So 6, 8, P, 10, 6. Next you have to write summation X. So summation X is 10 into 6 is 60. Then 15 into 8 is 120. So 20 into P is 20 P. Then 25 into 10 is 250. Then 30 into 6 is 180. Then you have to find summation F. So 6 plus 8 plus P plus 10 plus 6 is 30 plus P. Because here you have 16. Then 6 plus 8 is 30. So 30 plus P. Then next you have to find summation Fx. So 60 plus 120 plus 20P plus 250 plus 180 is 610 plus 20P. Now we know the formula x bar is equal to summation Fx by summation F. X bar value is given in the question, that is 20.2, which is equal to 610 plus 20P by 30 plus P. So the next step is cross multiplication. So 610 plus 20P is equal to 20.2 into 30 plus P. So 610 plus 20P is equal to, if you multiply 20.2 into 30, you get 606 plus 20.2P. So you have to take constant term to one side and P values to another side. So 610 minus 606 is equal to 20.2P minus 20P. So 610 minus 606 is 4 is equal to 0.2P. Then from this you have to find the value of P. So P is equal to 4 divided by 0.2, which is nothing but 4 into 10 by 0.2 into 10. So which is equal to 40 by 2, which is nothing but the value of P is equal to 20. Problem number 6. In the class, weight of students is measured for the class records. Calculate mean weight of the class students using direct method. So here you have to use direct method. So weight in kg, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75. So number of students is 4, 11, 19, 14, 0, 2. Solution. The problem page number is 278. You just write the given data in a tabular column format. Weight is given 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75. And frequency is also given. You know how to find the mid value, that is 15 plus 25 divided by 2, you get 20. So 40 by 2, you get 20. So like that, 25 plus 35 by 2 is 30. 35 plus 45 by 2 is 40. 45 plus 55 by 2 is 50. 55 plus 65 by 2 is 60. 65 plus 75 by 2 is 70. So next you have to write Fx. So 20 into 4, you get 80. 30 into 11, 330. 40 into 19, 760. 50 into 14, 700. 60 into 0, 0. 70 into 2 is 140. So now we find the value of Fx. So you have to find summation f. So you have to add all these values, 4 plus 11 plus 19 plus 14 plus 0 plus 2, you get 50. So summation f is 50. Then 80 plus 330 plus 760 plus 700 plus 140, which gives summation fx is 2010. That's all. So next you have to find the arithmetic mean. So using direct method. So x bar is equal to summation fx by summation f. So this is the direct method formula. So which is equal to 2010 by 50. So 0 0 gets cancelled, which is equal to 4 times 20 and 0 0.2. 5 2s are 10. So we find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is equal to 40.2. Problem number 7. Calculate the mean of the following distribution using assumed mean method. So class interval is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. And frequency is 5, 7, 15, 28, 8. So solution, the problem is in page number 278. First you have to see the class interval. So class interval is given in the question. You just write the class interval, and frequency is also given in the question. Then find the mid value. 0 plus 10 by 2 is 5. 10 plus 20 is 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40 by 2 is 35. 40 plus 50 by 2 is 45. So you know how to find the assumed mean value. We already seen in the example problem. So you just leave the top two values and bottom two values. In the middle value you have 25. So that is your assumed mean value. A is equal to 25. So next we have to find D is equal to x minus A. Here the x value is 5. So 5 minus 25 is minus 20. Then 15 minus 25 is minus 10, and 25 minus 25 is 0. 35 minus 25 is 10. 45 minus 35 is 20. So now we finished the D value. Then we next move on to FD value. So 5 into minus 20 is minus 100. Then 7 into minus 10 is minus 70. Then 15 into 0 is 0. 28 into 10 is 280. Then 8 into 20 is 160. That's all. So next you have to find summation F and summation FD. So 5 plus 7 plus 15 plus 28 plus 8 is 63. Similarly, you have to add minus 100 minus 70. So minus 170 plus 280 plus 160 is 270. Then arithmetic mean x bar is equal to A plus summation FD by summation F. So which is equal to, the arithmetic mean is 25 plus summation FD value is 270 divided by summation F is 63. So which is equal to 25 plus 270 by 63 is 4.29. So which is equal to 29.29. Therefore, the arithmetic mean x bar is equal to 29.29. Problem number 8. Find the arithmetic mean of the following data using step deviation method. So age is 15 to 19, 20 to 21, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44. Number of persons is 4, 20, 38, 24, 10, 9. Solution, page number 278. So age is given in the question. You just write the age 15 to 19 up to 40 to 44. Then next you have to find the mid value. So 15 plus 19 by 2 is 17. So as it is, you have to find the mid values 22, 27, 32, 37, 42. And F values given the question 4, 20, 38, 24, 10, 9. Then in this you have to choose the assumed mean value. A is equal to 32. So you just skip the first 3 and the last 2. So in that middle 27 and 32, 32 is the biggest value. So you just choose 32. So next you have to find D. So D is equal to x minus a by 4. So here the x is 17. So 17 minus 32 by 4 is minus 3.75. Next 22 minus 32 by 4 is minus 2.5. And 27 minus 32 by 4 is minus 1.25. Then 32 minus 32 is obviously 0. So 37 minus 32 by 4 is 1.25 and 42 minus 32 by 4 is 2.5. So now we find the values of D. Then we have to find FD. So 4 into minus 3.75 is minus 15. Then 20 into minus 2.5 is minus 50. Then 38 into minus 1.25 is minus 47.5. Here 24 into 0 is 0. Then 10 into 1.25 is 12.5. Then 9 into 2.5 is 22.5. So the next step is you have to add all the values of summation F. So 4 plus 20 plus 38 plus 24 plus 10 plus 9 is equal to summation F is 105. So similarly you have to find summation FD. So minus 15 minus 50 minus 47.5 plus 0 plus 12.5 plus 22.5 is minus 77.5. Therefore, arithmetic mean is equal to A plus summation FD by summation F into C, which is equal to 32 plus summation FD value is minus 77.5 by 105 into C is 4. So, which is equal to 32 minus 2.95, which is equal to 29.05. This is a simple calculation you just do. So the arithmetic mean x bar is equal to 29.05. So that's all students. Up to this exercise 8.1 is over. Thank you students. Have a nice day. You have to go through this videos 2 to 3 times for better understanding. Here we are just using only 3 method: direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method to find the arithmetic mean values.